Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us test the accurate capacitance of electrolytic capacitor. So as we can see, there are two capacitors here, which is electrolytic. It's 2200 microfarad, 10 volts. The other one, it's the same 2200 microfarad. So let us check. So first, let's calibrate the meter here. In this range at capacitance test, so push this yellow button for capacitance test. So from resistance test to capacitance test, so let's start to check the test rather. So red probe in positive, and then black probe in negative. Then let's start. Now it's 2630 microfarad. So let us diagnose this capacitor as a good capacitor. So let's check the other one. So it's 625 microfarad. So the reading is 625 to 630 microfarad. So this is 2200 microfarad. So meaning that this capacitor is defective. So the 2200 microfarad, it's dropped to 640 microfarad. So this is defective capacitor. So let's test another one. So this capacitor is as we can see, 680 microfarad, 25 volts. Let's check this capacitor. What is the capacitance reading? So the reading is 667 microfarad, almost 100% accurate. So 68 it's accurate reading. So this is good capacitor. 680, almost 680 microfarad. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.